Loga, Ramse. Ramse. Loga died for free Tibet. Loga died for free Tibet. Free Tibet. China out of Tibet now. So the killing in Tibet. So genocide in Tibet. So the torture in Tibet. Too low. Too low. Too low. Too low.